What's cracking, family? Welcome back to Great Adventures. Today is time to finally get my virginity gone for BLACKTAP burgers, baby. We're about to see if this place is really smacking or not. Everyone's saying it's hella good, and then everyone's also saying don't get your shakes from the window for some reason because it's saying it's way better when you order inside. We're gonna see if the myth is true. I know Ace about to be hella mad. Do I care? Hell nah. That's what you get. That's your fault. But here we go. With the strawberry shortcake shake, you get a whole popsicle in that thing, dog. You know what I'm saying?
Good. I'm trying to figure out how to get the pudding cakes out of it.
Alright, first up, mozzarella, little squares. They look so cute. Let's dip it in that sauce. Straight smack cheese. Hella cheesy. What kind of sauce do you think this is?
It's like a tomato,
Huh? Spicy tomato, I would say. Straight smacking. Alright, up next, chicken tenders. We got the ranch, we got the barbecue, and salsa verde. The fuck? Alright, let's see. I'm gonna dip it in the salsa verde. I don't know. It works. That smacks city. Chicken tenders crisp. Got white meat right there. Got salsa verde smacking with the chicken tenders. Come on, taste it, Bonnie. This is straight 10 out of 10. Now I'll get with some barbecue. The barbecue sauce, not good. Give it a 5 out of 10. Now let's go with that ranch. As well, ranch is a downfall. It's not smacking. I give that a 4 out of 10. But the chicken strips, smack city. Salsa verde. Alright, let's see what this first bite is gonna like. We got the lettuce, we got the sauce, we got the meat, we got the bacon, we got the wagyu, and we got the crispy onions. Smack city. Meat juicy. He's giving me a thumbs up over here. Meat's juicy, nicely cooked. Bun's on point. The bacon's on point. The crispy onion sauce, smacking. The french fries, out of this world. The sauce, certified 10 out of 10 bangers. Alright, y'all, just finished up at BLACKTAP, straight schmack city. Don't really think the shakes are much different. It's all the same. The live in there is great ass vibes. They got music bumping the whole time. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. That's how loud it was inside, but it was a great time. Food was smacking. I went with the wagyu burger. God damn. This is my go-to burger spot. I used to go to Red Robin's across the street from Disneyland. But hell no, bro. I'm making that little walk to BLACKTAP because that shit is straight schmack city. You know what I'm saying? But alright, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Peace out.